All right, today we're talking about side events at ETHCC. Now, starting with the first couple of days. Friday, 27th of June, I would go to Web3 BT dinner, maybe Monaco beach party, maybe stable summits. It depends. Next day, we're gonna go to Crypto Coffee Take Hour. I would go to Security Mixer, of course. Reason why? Well, if you don't know how to choose the best side event, just look at where your customers are going or where your customers are organizing something. Usually that's going to be a good side event. It's like you don't need to go too deep into how this works. You just need to know that this works. Like if because the same thing attracts the same thing. So if you see that the event is organized by your customer, there is a big chance that you're going to meet another customer at that event. So usually utilize that information. This one should be very good. I think like the way that I'm looking at the events, if this is like a cocktail hour, if this is like the brunch, like anything like that, this is the best events for networking. Always like founders and investor brunch. Yeah, like you get what I'm saying. If you need networking with founders, if you need networking maybe with some VCs, if you need networking with the contributors, like you go to these events and then you have a very good fun there. And when you're looking at other events, just prioritize. If you're into ZK, go to the ZK events. If you want the investment, go to the VC events. But overall, this kind of events were like builder nights, all these things. It's a very good mix. You can meet everybody else. For me, for the person that goes to events to find clients and prospects, usually those are the best because they give me the best kind of selection of the crowd, and I can choose. Like I'm not stuck to selling only to, let's say, ZK people or only to Arbitrum people. I can be very flexible and find folks that can do like the breakfast again here, and then you can go to Node Builders Hub. Maybe that's gonna be interesting. MEV Happy Hour. I think that's something interesting there as well. And if you see, by the way, this year, I don't know how this is gonna be this year. I can tell you how it was last year. So ETHCC, it was worth going there. It was like I think 3 or 4 days, and 2 days there were like one set of booths on the event, and then the second day there was like second set of booths on the event. The main event, if you can't sell to the people that are standing on booth, I would say that it's useless for you because unless you're a builder or the coder, then you're gonna have a great fun. But if you're a salesperson and you can't sell to the people that are on the booth, like you don't sell to salespeople, you don't sell to marketers, then I would say that the main event is gonna be a waste of time for you and waste of money. Just go for the side events and you're gonna meet all the right people. For me, I'm gonna go there maybe like 2 hours day one and then 2 hours on day three, just to meet everybody from different sponsors, and that's basically it. So you know the way that I'm looking at the events right now, KFGM, like, but really you need to sign up for everything. And I have a friend of mine, I don't know if she's still doing this, but she's building the AA agent that allows you to automatically sign up to all of these side events. I will check with her if it works. And if it does work, then I'm gonna do a special video just for Web3 Sales Gym people. Maybe we're gonna do like a special promo code, or maybe that's gonna be for free. I don't really know it. Where you would be able to sign up and use it and test it the whole thing by yourself. Web3 Sales GM, go to side events, go to ETHCC, do good business and have a good summer. All the links are in description. If you're new on this channel, subscribe. If you're not new on this channel and you're not sending this to your friends, you're basically robbing me, so please don't rob me. Send this to a friend of yours. Send this video or any video on the channel really, and we want to get to 1,000 subscribers. Cheers and peace. Bye bye.